Hey guys, I know that online check-in can be a bit of a task, especially if you're a first-time cruiser. So today we're going to have a look at everything you need to do when you're sailing with Norwegian Cruise Line. So 21 days before your embarkment day, you're going to get an email that says it's time to check in. 21 days, so make a mark of that in your calendar, or you can do it on the app. The first thing that they will ask you for is personal information, so your name, your date of birth, all the things that you see here on the screen, pretty much things that you should already know about yourself. Step 2 is contact information, so they will ask you your address. If you'll see everything on the screen once again, I will say that you have to fill this out multiple times if you have people in your stateroom. So for me, I have a party of 4 and I had to fill out the same information for all 4 of us, even though we live in the same house. Step 3 is proof of citizenship. So whatever document you're going to be traveling with, whether it's a passport or a birth certificate, have that on hand to input the number. You do not need to take a photo of this document, but you do need to put the numbers in. For step 4, you're going to indicate if you will need a cruise transfer to and from the airport. This is where you would select it and pay the additional money. So it's pretty much yes or no if you will need a bus to take you from the airport. For step 5, you have the option to put some add-ons to your trip, whether that's travel protection insurance or join their priority access line, and you'll see there everything that's included. Depending on your sailing, they may have different offerings, but yeah, it's just their way to make a little bit of extra money before you step on board. Next, they'll ask some health, safety, and travel things. So you're going to have to upload a security photo. You'll also be able to select your arrival time, and you have to watch a safety video. So let's get into each of these steps separately. For the photo, you're going to upload it from your photo library on your phone. I would suggest taking the picture beforehand on a blank white wall. Here are all the photo requirements, pretty much what they're going to accept. So you can pause the screen and have a good look at that. This is going to help you if you upload it now to get through the check-in at the terminal a lot faster because they'll already have your photo in their system. Next, you can select your arrival time. This is always an exciting time for many people. You can decide what time you're coming to the port. They usually have them in half-hour increments. That way, everyone does not arrive at the same time. So the sooner you do your online check-in, once it opens, the earlier you can get on the ship. In the same health and safety section, you must watch their video, and Norwegian does not play about people watching their video. You are not allowed to continue or finish check-in until they see that you have watched it. So you're gonna have to let it play, and if you have multiple people in your stateroom, you have to watch it multiple times. Each person has to watch it because if you see that little checkbox down there, it doesn't open up for you to check it until they see that you've watched it. The last and final step is to agree to their contract. As you can see, it's a long document. I scroll right through it. I never read it. I don't even know what's in it. But you can get on the cruise without saying yes. So we just click yes and we are done. You will get a green box here that says that check-in is complete for you. Your documents will not be sent to you until about 24 hours after you finish check-in, and they'll be emailed to you with your boarding pass and your luggage tags. You will need to present your boarding pass when you get to the terminal, and it's good to print off your luggage tags and put them on your luggage to kind of pre-label them. I like to put mine inside of this plastic, very sturdy luggage tag holder from Cruise On. I actually got this off of Amazon, and I can link it down below if you're interested in it. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful and that you're a little bit more prepared for your upcoming cruise. I hope that you have a wonderful trip and happy sailing.